Hello everyone, so today we'll see that how we can assemble a simple water treatment unit and that will use the solar energy to produce the clean water from the dirty water. So in terms of components, it's a very simple. So this is actually a cake stand and we need one bowl, some tubing to collect the distillate and the felt. Okay, so the first of all, the felt, the purpose of the felt is actually absorb the moisture and it has a capillary action that actually lifts the water up. So it's like a tissue paper. So if you just wet a little bit surface, the water will be automatically lifted up, and that is actually a capillary action, and this is how the felt work. So the idea is that we will have this bowl and there is a hole cut at the center of the bowl, and the purpose of this bowl is just to increase the surface area of this felt so that the more solar rays can reach over there and can help to evaporate the water. So at the start, what you have to do, you have to cut the felt according to the length you require, and then you put the felt on the top of the bowl, and then from the hole you pull the felt from the hole, so that at the end you have very nicely covered the bowl surface with the felt. So I already have something similar that I can show. So at the end it will be something like this. It will be nicely covered with the felt. And the felt that you pull down, I have just an example for this, the small strip, so that you will pull down from here and it will be nicely covered the whole surface. The same felt you will pull through the hole that is at the center of this cake box. So it's something like you can just pull down from this hole. Yeah. So something like this. Okay, so at the end you will have a felt down. So the purpose of this felt is because once you will float this whole unit in the water, so it will lift the water through this felt until the top of the dome of the bowl. So at the end you have bowl something like this. So it will lift the water, so it will wet the whole the felt over here, and that water will be evaporated later. So once you have this thing ready, so you have to put the tubing around the corner over here to collect the distillate, and you have to seal it properly. And there is a cutting over here at the side that will bring out the tubing at the side, so that you can bring out the distillate at the one side. So once you have to seal this tubing, you have to put this dome inside the tubing, and then you have to seal it again. Okay, so that you can build the temperature and the pressure for the evaporation of this distillate. So how it will work actually, so it will pull the moisture from here. Once you will put into any water body like a lake or the river, so if you just put it over there, it will float and it will lift the water from here through this felt onto the top of the bowl. So the whole surface of the bowl will be wet from the solar rays. Once the solar rays will reach to the wet felt, it will evaporate the water. Okay, so that evaporation, the moisture, it will condense inside this dome, and that condensation will slowly slide down to this tubing, and it will collect around the tube, and the distillate will come out, the pure water will come out from here. So this, you can see, it's a very simple design, and it can produce the water according to the size of the bowl for a single person or the single household. So it's a very good design, operating with 100% solar, no need any other equipment. And this is a very simple design, but of course if you want to improve the performance, you can improve the design with the simple ways, or with putting felt some other way, or arranging the bowl some other way, or some other manner of the arrangement. So you can improve the performance, and accordingly the water production will improve. So this is the one way of the simple assembly, but you can have a different ways to assemble the unit to get the maximum performance. So with this one, thank you very much, and I hope you will have a working unit in future. Thank you very much.